Hi kids! Welcome back to Kids TV 2025. Today we are going to learn words that begin with the letter G. Let's get started. G. G stands for glass. G stands for glasses. G stands for grass. G stands for grass. G stands for gold. G stands for goldfish. G stands for gate. G stands for goose. G stands for ghost. G stands for grasshopper. G stands for gift. G stands for giraffe. G stands for guitar. G stands for girl. G stands for gorilla. G stands for globe. G stands for gloves. G stands for goat. G stands for game. G stands for glue. G stands for ginger. G stands for galaxy. G stands for garlic. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you soon.